YouTube? Today is the day. We are getting some new shoes for the GTI. I'm fucking stoked. I'm ready for this shit. I just woke up and smoked a little dab, so I'm gonna hit the showers and then we're gonna run to Discount Tire and get them shoes slapped on. Hell yeah. Today is the day we get some new shoes for the GTI. We have these Land Sports, but we're switching over to some Hancocks. But you can tell that it's time for some tires. Like no tread left on those. So let's head to Discount Tire and pick them. It looks sketchy. Sorry about the wind noise, but it just got windy. But I picked up some Hancocks. They are the Ventus S1 Nobles. And they were $120 a tire. At that. I mean, I couldn't go wrong with $120 a tire. I like Hancock personally. The ones they came with were a bit expensive and they weren't even that good of quality. Look at this. Damn, that's pretty good. Hell yeah, nice. Again, sorry for the wind noise, but that's the tread on the tires. The S1 Nobles. Again, I didn't want to spend the extra $30 a tire to get what stock ones were. Sorry, words, I can't get them out of my mouth. But these aren't bad. I like Hancock. I'm a big fan. Always been a fan of Hancock. Brand new babies. Brand new babies, honey. Damn. Alright guys, I'm back home. Finished everything up at Discount Tire. I didn't get a chance to film any of the stuff that I really wanted to film, but they were busy today, and I didn't really want to be in the way, filming, be that guy. But anyways, I really like Hancocks, but the tires that I really wanted to get were just Michelin. That's my brand. I love Michelin. But I couldn't afford Michelin's at the moment, so Hancock's not a bad tire, and that's what I went with. I bought these tires for $120 a piece, and with tax and installation, it came out to $320. So that was for 2 tires. For all 4 tires, it's about $640. So I'm just gonna average $650. If I were to have bought the Michelin's, they were around $850. So it's a $200 savings. Would you guys go to Discount Tire? Would you guys go to Pep Boys? Would you go to Walmart to get your tires, or Costco? I want to hear your answers. Let me know where you guys would go. This video was not sponsored by Hancock. But if you are looking to sponsor me, Hancock, I'm your boy. All day, hook it up. You know what I mean? Alright, that's going to be the end of this video. If you like any of that content, please smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you guys later.